Hello YouTube, how you guys doing? We've just pulled into Jaguar Land Rover, just getting some quotes for my Jaguar. And right now I'm sat in a Range Rover Velar, very nice interior indeed. And you've got a sunroof up there, that's a screen, and then all this comes to life when you turn the ignition on. But unfortunately I don't have the key, so I can't do that. But while we're waiting for the guy from service, I thought I might as well take a look around some of the cars. Over that side we've got the Jaguar part of the business. Over this side is the Range Rovers and Land Rovers, and yeah, I thought might as well take a look around these vehicles while we're waiting. The Range Rover Sport there, and then the convertible Range Rover that side. But while we wait, I thought we might as well take a look around, take a look at some cars while we're here.
Oh my god.
So we're in the model aisle at Hobbycraft. They've got some really cool car kits. I'll just flip the camera around so I can show you properly. They've got Ferrari Laferrari, Honda NSX, Mazda, Ferrari F40, some trucks, Mercedes AMG GT3, Mazda Unos Edition, Nissan Skylines, Porsche, Subaru. Look at all these model kits. Pretty cool if you ask me, especially the Ferrari version. They've also got a big collection of Airfix quick build kits. I've shown you a couple of my kits. I've got the Aventador version, which is this one here, and I've also got the McLaren P1 version. We've got a Veyron, if you're interested in Veyrons, and jet fighters as well, so really cool.